Hello guys, it's been a while since our last video. It's nice having you again. So probably you're thinking about whether having a 95% win rate is possible or not. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you, okay, full transparency. This is gonna be kind of like an update of how my trading has been going so far this year. And I'm gonna show you my account and the results with my favorite strategy. This strategy is exclusive. This strategy has been created by me. It's called Dual NG5. And I have been focusing this whole year just trading this one strategy, and you're gonna be blown by the results. It's absolutely amazing. And you're gonna be amazed because I just started with $50. So there's no excuse for anyone that they say that they don't have capital or they need a lot of money to trade in order to make money. Like I'm gonna show you, as long as you have a powerful strategy, you're gonna be able to make money in the market. So this is my trade history so far. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. Okay, so let's see the period, custom period, okay, from December 4 to February, okay, the whole month of December, January, and February. Okay, so this is it. There you go. Here's the whole history, as you can see. Now, there's another thing, guys, which is amazing. And I have just been trading with 0.01 lots. Okay, so just take a look at this. Okay, I've made from $50 all the way to $1,000. Okay, so that's absolutely insane. I am very proud of myself, and I barely had any losses. Like it's like tiny little mistakes. As you can see, there's like barely no losing trades. I had like a very powerful consistency and win rate so far. This is a matter of focusing in your plan, just respecting your strategy. Okay, let me now show you. So this is a full detailed report, and I'm gonna show you that I did start it with $50. Let me go all the way up. Okay, so here I'm showing you that this is a live trading account. Now let me go all the way back down. Let me show you where it starts. Okay, so here we are. As you can see, this right here, this column right here, this is the balance. Okay, so as you can see, this is the balance. Okay, so this was the lowest point of the account, $50, and this was in the 4th of December. Okay guys, so there is no excuse. Okay, anybody can make money as long as you have the right mindset and the right strategy, such as mine. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go all the way down. Okay, this is full transparency. Like I don't know any other like mentor or YouTuber or whatever that is showing you like full trading history of the last 3 months with these amazing results. This is absolutely insane. Okay, these crazy results. Like maybe it's not like billions of dollars, but guys, like the growth and the consistency, this is absolutely insane. So keep your eyes on this column right here, okay, to the right, and you're gonna see how it was growing and growing and growing. Okay, $200, then $300, little by little, break by break, $400, $500, and as you can see, it's all 0.01 lots, guys. Okay, $600, 700, 8,000. Okay, and now it reached 1,000. Okay, 1,000, almost $100. Okay, now the second part that I want to show you is like, just take a look at the equity curve. This is perfect. This is beautiful. You want to have this on your fridge, like this. Like I'm very proud of myself, guys. So as you can see, it's very consistent. And also I want you to take a look at the drawdown, which is very low. I could have just flipped the account like in matter of 1 week to $1,000, like no problem. I can do that. So my win rate is very high. Okay, so I don't have a problem with that. Like I can just like full margin the account and I can reach $1,000 every 3 days, like from $50 with a lot of leverage and a lot of risk involved. But that is not the case. I'm using proper risk management. And also something very important that I want to talk about is, okay, everybody talks about like having the right mindset, but what in reality, what does that mean? Okay, so I'm gonna give you just one tip, okay? Personal tip is that don't put a time limit, okay? If you want to grow your account, just let it grow, okay? Because as soon as you start putting yourself limits, okay, like deadline, you're gonna start having this extra pressure over your shoulders or an amount, okay? Like just let it grow, okay? Like just set on your mind, let's say, I don't know, $1 million. But if it takes you 4 months or 1 year or 2 years, then that's fine. Guys, like $1 million in trading, like that's super cool, okay? Like even if you really achieve it, that's something fabulous, like that's fantastic. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna grow this account, okay, for the rest of the year. I'm just gonna apply my strategy, dwelling way 5, okay, which is actually available for members. Okay, you can check the link below if you're interested. You can sign in, you can have access, and you can trade this strategy to that. So that's the good news. It's very simple, very mechanical, and here are the results. Okay, they speak for itself. There's no excuse. $50 to $1,000. Like everybody has $50. You can grow your account. Even imagine, guys, if you're already with $1,000 or $500, it's gonna be even easier. Okay, the strategy is very easy to use. Okay, it's very, very simple, very mechanical, and anybody can apply it. Okay, so honestly, like the only times I lose is because it's because of me. Okay, it's because I'm not focused, or I messed up, or I traded something that is outside of the strategy or the plan. Simple as that. Okay, it's like I'm not gonna lose if I follow the plan and the strategy and the rules. Simple as that. Okay, guys. So the my FX book. Okay, so as you can see, here are the returns. Okay, it's very consistent. As I said, like it's very easy. Like I can just like over risk and over leverage the account if I wanted to. Okay, but I am using proper risk management. Okay, guys. So it's gonna be slow and steady, the growth. Okay, that's the most important thing. And I'm going for 20 pips. As you can see, here are my results. Here is the trade history. As you can see, I want you to have your focus here on the pips, okay? So usually I will go for around 20 to 25 pips, okay? So we're gonna review the market in a little bit, okay, guys? So you really need to have a lot of patience in order to grow any account or pass a funded account, okay? A prop firm, challenge, whatever you set your mind and your objective in trading, you will be able to achieve it, but you will need a lot of patience. Okay, guys? And also set realistic goals. Very, very simple. And just follow the rules. That's it. Like if you follow the rules, like the market will reward you. Okay, guys? Okay, my friends, so this is the website. You can find the link below for anybody interested that wants to trade my strategy. This strategy, I have been using it for many, many years now. I have been trading for 17 years. This is by far my favorite strategy. It's been created by me. It's called Dual and Wave 5. It's this one, okay? So you will have all of the examples, the rules, all of the indications, everything you need, okay? There's live trades, there's zooms, everything you need to have success, okay? And also you will find a sample of a trading plan and other strategies, very, very powerful, created by me, okay, guys? So you can check the link below and you can start winning with me, okay? Okay, guys, so I want to talk about market structure, okay? So if you remember, okay, so this is Nasdaq. Nasdaq is my favorite asset class to trade. I love it because it moves amazing and is very easy to trade, okay? And currently the market has been behaving pretty nicely. There's a lot of volume, okay? I like markets with a lot of volume, okay? So we're gonna be talking about Nasdaq and we're gonna analyze the charts and how I look at the markets, okay, guys? So around February 18, we reached 2,222 points. Okay, this is the Nasdaq. This was the all-time high. So if you look to the left, okay, if we go back, you can see that it was creating higher highs and higher lows. It was a very clean and clear bullish structure. Okay, my friend. So after that, let me take an arrow to show you something. Okay, so after this candlestick, as you can see, let me zoom in so that you can see, it created some sort of like a double top. Okay, so price was coming up, correct? And it created this all-time high. And as you can see in here, it created this kind of like a double top, equal highs, okay, as you want to call it. And then we had this powerful red bearish candlestick. This was a big indication, okay? It was setting the tone that the bearish market was about to start, okay? So price was creating this bullish trend line, okay? Higher highs, higher lows, and then we had these equal highs, this bearish candlestick, and then it started a new bearish trend, very, very obvious and easy to identify, okay guys? So as you can see, February was fantastic. This is definitely the type of market that every trader wants to participate in because it's very clean, it's very clear. You have the structure, you have bullish structure, then you have bearish structure, very clean, very simple, very easy to identify. As you can see, it continued and going and going. Also, man, like today, like there was a lot of volume. There was like a 700 point drop, which is insane. As you can see, guys, like this is absolutely huge. So you might be wondering, like, why is the American indices dropping so hard? Well, let me tell you, there's a lot of things going on. So basically, Trump is punishing with tariffs to many countries. There's a lot of things going on. There's a lot of uncertainty. Okay. Also, we had Nvidia's yesterday. This move right here. Let me show you with an arrow. Okay. Nvidia is one of the stocks, one of the big players in AI. Okay guys, so I want to show you like how can you benefit or how can you read the markets whenever you arrive to your computer at the time when you are trading. First of all, whatever you're trading, make sure that is active during that session, okay? So whether you are trading during London session, Asian session, or New York session, you might want to choose an asset that moves accordingly to that session, okay guys? So as I mentioned before, guys, we can see that the bearish trend was basically pretty obvious, okay? Price was dropping pretty hard, okay? So the downtrend was very, very obvious still, okay? It was still, as you can see, guys, let me just show you this. It's not making a new high, okay? We had this lower high, then we had this lower high, then we had this lower high. It was lower than this one. And then in here, right before the market opened, price never made a new high. Okay, so the downtrend was basically still intact. Okay, so let me remove this. Another thing that I want to show you is that many people say that, oh, trend lines don't work, but let me show you something and you'll be the judge. Okay, now just take a look at this, okay? I want you to take a look at this, okay? Now, can you see that this was the third touch of this trend line, okay? And how beautiful it was, the rejection, very simple, right? Now, this was the day before, okay? And another thing is that I just look at the higher time frames just to look at the overall trend. That's it, okay? But I don't care about the past. I just care about relevant areas to the left, okay? So also, guys, as you can see, price was inside this zone, okay? It was pretty interesting, as you can see. So you had some pretty nice confirmations. Price was inside of this supply zone, and also it was rejecting the trend line, okay? So now it was a matter of watching whether price was gonna make a new high, okay, maybe a break retest, or simply continue dropping, okay, and how you could have taken a trade, okay? So let me go into a lower time frame, and now let me go to the New York session. Okay, so now we are very close to the New York Open. There you go. Okay, guys, so remember that this shaded area, that was a supply zone to the left, okay? That was from the day before. If you zoom out, all of this was a supply zone. And as you can see, guys, price was making also kind of like a little liquidity grab, okay, from today's high right there. And also we had the trend line being rejected for the third time. Okay, so there was enough clues or possibilities that price was gonna continue dropping. Okay, guys, now where could have been a possible target? Well, if it was me, and let's say you want to leave your trade running for a while, then this could have been your final target, which was the low of the day. Now let's measure, okay? Let's measure how much space this represents, okay? This was a possible 165 pip range or move, okay? Now, for me, this could have been a pretty nice entry. So you take your short position and remember to keep your stop loss above, okay, in a safe place. And that could have been pretty safe and cool target. Now, remember that me personally, I am taking 20 pips, okay? So this represents 20 pips, okay? And then you can leave some of your resting positions running. Okay, guys, so now let's see how it goes. As I told you, there was crazy volume. This was insane volume. At this point, the only thing you want to do is just secure, place your stop loss at break even, and price just continue melting and collapsing, man. Like, it was a crazy market. And also, okay, it made a pretty nice retracement to a percentage, specific percentage. Okay, so there was another possibility of taking sales, okay, and I'm gonna show you. I didn't took them, but there was a lot of possibilities. Okay, so as you can see, guys, now it's making sort of like a break and retest, okay, but now it's making like a double top. Okay, guys, so if we have some rejection again from this area, okay, remember this is the low of the day, and we have all of this bearish momentum, and we have this clean range to be filled all the way down here, then we're going to be able to have a second trade. Okay, so we're going to take another entry right here, okay, and our stop loss is going to be above, and we're going to be able to target the low of this range. Okay, guys? So that's beautiful. It's going into your direction. Okay, at this point, you might want to manage your stop loss and pull it down to break even. So there you go. There you go. Okay, so TP has been hit. Very successful trades. Very simple. Okay. You're basically just following what the market is doing. You're not like chasing the market. You're not guessing the market. You're just applying your knowledge, okay, and your system. Okay, guys? Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you learned a lot. And remember that if you want to get a very powerful strategy, you can find my strategy in the link below, and I'm going to see you inside. Have a nice one, guys. Take care. Bye.